My name is Esty, and also known as Alexander-Keenan, and I am about to do an unboxing of my purchase from Fadkeys Lucky Scoops. So I have here two separate orders. This order arrived. This order arrived. This order arrived maybe about two or 3 weeks ago. This one just arrived a few days ago, so I wanted to unbox them both at the same time instead of waiting a long time, just doing one and then doing the other. But as you can see, they're in different shapes. This one arrived in excellent shape, as you can see. This bad boy here that just got here, it was held up for quite some time. I don't know, it took a while to get here. And as you can see, it's been through the ringer. It's been torn, beaten in the beads. So what I'm going to get along with this boxing, I have my trusty knife here, my scissors, and as you see, rope gun. And I got my little fella here, right here. My dog, hi, Pink. Hi, Pink. My little baby, hi, Kitty, hi. And as you see, still got the tree up yet. My tree doesn't come down to the end of, I'll keep it up where it turns into a Valentine's Day tree. So we're going to start with the box that took the longest to get here. And that, I'm sorry, the most recent one, the longest that got here first. And then this one that just got here. So I'm going to do this one first. And we are going to okay, turn this bad boy here and let's get the unboxing. I watch the show every day. My daughter-in-law can attest. I watch the show every day, and every time she sees me, she already knows what I'm watching. It's true. I watch the show faithfully, and I love all the hosts. As most people do, they love all the hosts on the show. And try to get this done. Oh my God. And when I tell you they close these boxes, woo, they make sure that they can take a lot of abuse, because they get a lot of these things in here. Wow. And it is packed, as you can see. It is packed. So we're going to take these out. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And they come as with all things of that tea. They come with, wow, little card telling you about the company. Oh wow, how nice. It said, dear Mr. Keenan, it said, we're near the Chinese New Year. Fadkeys will select the most popular, charming of the whole chain of the whole year. If you like the crystal I will shoot for you, please post on unboxing video for Abby. Thank you. Oh wow, thank you. Oh my God, Abby, wrote me a note from Abby. Hi, Abby. Oh wow, this is so sweet. Got a new personal note from Fadkeys from Abby, one of the hosts. Because I love her video. When she's on live, Abby has so much fun doing her boxing. She just goes crazy. Abby goes crazy. And I'm always with her when she's like, be generous, Chris, be generous. So I'm right with her, telling them to be generous. I'm right with her. Be generous, Chris. I'm so anxious. I'm so anxious to see what's out of here. Wow. I'm got parents in here like, oh, there's a knife all in my face. I'm like, let me get on it. Ooh, these are my bag party. Put the stuff back in this box. This is my actual bag. You see, this is my actual school bag, and those are my party bags. This is my party bag. These are my parties. Oh my gosh. This is selected me by Abby. Oh, I can't wait to get to these. So let's start with, I'm gonna save this for last. So we're gonna start with this right here. And I think I got these doing I think it was a tower party. No, it was the tower party. She was doing a tower party. Oh my goodness. And Abby was doing a wonderful job. People were getting, oh my gosh, I was liking, ooh, ah, oh my goodness, the whole entire time. Oh my gosh, look, people, look. Abby made a selection for me. Oh, here. Oh my gosh. How beautiful is that? Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. I'm gonna put that here. Let's open the roll off. See if I can get them off here. I might have to put scissors there to keep it there. There you go. Put scissors there to keep it there. And let's go to our next. And put on this one. I think because of Chinese New Year, they did these funny things. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. You know, the Chinese New Year is on the 22nd of this month. Come on, next week, man. Yeah. Next week. The Chinese New Year is next week. The Chinese New Year is next week. And, oh my God. I don't know what it is. Come on, this is like the last video. I have no idea where it's gone. I will get it. Ooh, look at it. Look. Oh my gosh. How cute. The star, the apple. Don't ask me what they are. I'll find out. I had to look to find them. Oh, look. How pretty. Oh my God, that is beautiful. I don't know what I dropped on this floor, but it's somewhere. I have no idea where it is. I'll find it. Another star, and I don't know what it is, but I know it's beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Leave it to me to drop something. Oh, how pretty, how pretty. Okay, and let's go to our next one. When I say they close these, once they seal this stuff up, they seal it. They seal it so that nobody else is going into your, going inside of here. They know seal it. Wow. This is a redone by this Abby did this for me. Woo! Look! Oh, this is absolutely gorgeous. Oh, wow. Got another spear. Now, I was learning. I think this is an amethyst, if I'm right. That's an amethyst. And this might be I don't know if that's a smoky quartz. Okay. Next. Oh did. You know what? I don't know who did all my food. I remember Abby did this one for me. And I got another one. And I have another one coming for me. I have another one that's coming for me that I think that one was also done by Abby. I've always seemed to catch Abby. I catch Abby. Oh, wow. Well, look at here. Another amethyst heart. This is so pretty. Wow. Oh, look. A kitty. Oh, and the mamaroon, as they say. Mamaroon. And we have our tower. Wow. Nice. I don't know what that is. I don't know the agri. You know what? Don't get me lying because I don't know. I'm learning. I am learning. And we have one more from this box. They really do wrap them. These are a whole bunch of, I guess these are, they call them candies. These are a lot of different crystals. Oh, I think, I don't know what these are. And this is an actual, I think this is a gift from Abby because this was not the, this is a gift from Abby. Okay, but this is too stupid to bowl. I don't even remember, stupid, I'm a stupid nose. I don't remember seeing these. But these are cute. They are cute. And here's the party. Oh, look at the little mushroom, mama room. Mushroom, more mushroom. And we have some more, what they call candy. And look a baby mama room, little baby mushroom. It's so cute. And so people wouldn't believe what I actually do with these mushrooms. They become my chess pieces. But you have to put it on a chessboard. This is another one, mama room here. And I'm just making a mess here. This is another heart. A heart. Oh. Thanks for the Valentine's Day gift, Abby. That's my Abby. Always sending something nice, beautiful. These are absolutely beautiful. And I got 2 more. Wait, 2 more in the bag. And more mushrooms. And the final for this box is a spear holder. Look at that. That's beautiful.
People meet me and they think she's the woman whose nephew survived the plane crash.
I don't know if it's going to hold this spear because this spear is heavy. It might be more of a tower holder than a spear holder. I don't think it can hold this little rascal.
What are you doing?
I don't know.
Drinking champagne by myself out of a
Uncle
juice
what's going to hold something.
Lost my
Oh,
husband,
there you go.
lost my best friend.
Hold up the
You
tower.
had another. So I don't know
That's
how
so
to piece it
cute.
all together.
Okay, let's get to our, let's get to our next box.
Why is everyone writing to him?
The next box, Tina was helping me with this, the next box.
I want to run away too.
I'm going to
Life has to go on.
move this one over. So I'm going to move this one over. I'm going to move this one over, and we're going to now open our next box. Okay? Move this over. And open our next box. And I want to keep you on here a whole hour watching me unbox my boxing. Because I'm already thinking of places to put these at here in the house. I'm thinking of places to put them. Okay. To tell you the truth, I think I ordered these on New Year's. I was out of it. I was out of it. I think we were getting toasted. Oh, here. Was it? No, but this was before New Year's, I think. I can't remember. I was ordering heavy. Okay, let's see. And this is my order number. What number is it? I think it's seven. Is that order seven something? Order seven something. It's 7 something. 7858. Yeah, that's order 7858. Oh, this is. I can see it through here. It looks like the holder. This is the order I remember. This Abby gave me. This is Abby. I don't know. I can't remember. This is Abby or Shauna. And sometimes I was so tired. I was watching. I was tired, and I see something that I like, and I said, "Oh, it's a party going on." I love when the ladies do parties. I love when they do a party. We're gonna put all of the paper inside one box because these wrappers and I'll deal with them. So this is a light holder. This is a holder, a holder. So look at here. You can fit one of these on it. And plug. Oh wow, this is the one that you put into the. You can plug it up into your iPhone charger, whatever. Your charger. You put in your charger. Put the charger, plug it into your outlet. That's cool. Okay, let's get to our second item out the box. So I made sure that I caught the tower party. Let's get tower party. Wow. I think Miss Tina said, I'm thinking, doing one of the parties. Doing one of the parties of. They didn't put, I think, the party into one of these boxes. I think it's this order. They forgot to put the party in the box. Oh, wow. Remember, oh, this was the baby one that Abby for the little small, the little small, look, the baby here, how cute. Oh, boy, I saw that one. Oh, wow, that's good. I don't know what this is. Oh yeah, I remember this. This is my rose cord. It's a rose cord. Wow. Wow. I don't remember. Not a good. Okay. it's a hard one to open. I mean, this little raffle does not want to get. Woo! You know what? I can't remember what they were. Some of them. But I stepped away as usual. Somebody comes to the door right while I'm ordering, right as soon as they call my name to draw. Oh, some big mushroom. Mushroom. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. Ooh, I don't think this, what they call this. I have no idea. The Jasper.
I love
I don't
my
know.
femininity. I also recognize my masculine energy.
And,
Part of how I dress
oh,
is being able
my
to bridge
favorite is
those
a
two
butterfly.
together.
Look at that, a butterfly. And you guess what? Purple is my favorite color. I have purple and green, as you can see. Green is another color of mine. And this is the last one. Well, there is no tower party in that box. It was supposed to have been a tower party. There's no tower party. And I think it's supposed to have been, I think Miss Tina, it was back when Miss Tina told me she wanted to put other little items because they did, as you can see, they did forget. They forgot to put in my party bag. Got my party bag and then I sent it back. They got it back for me. They were supposed to put two more, another spear or whatnot in it. I think they forgot it again. Look, Christmas tree. Look at the little Christmas tree. How cute. But you know what? I love everything that they have, so I'm not going to complain about anything because I love everything I do get. I love everything that they have. Oh my God, this matches my house. Look, green apple. Hey, it fits in. Look, hey. And then we got another green apple. Yes, beautiful, beautiful. Baby towel. Oh, look at the baby towel. Oh, another one. Oh my God. How pretty. How pretty. I don't know. Wow. These are beautiful. I have never, the spears, I remember when she was drawing them, and I was like, oh my God. I said, I finally got, I wanted a spear. I have, in my other video, you'll see, I have Osirian spear, the black one. That was the only spear I got. And I was like, hoping, I love the spears. I think they're beautiful. And the towers. I want a big tower, a big tower. I was trying to catch one of them big boys, and better luck next time, we'll get it. But also, let me show you this. Here is another thing, bad key that they give you. It says, honey, thank you for choosing and supporting our company. If you like our product, it would be much appreciated by leaving a 5-star review or posting an unboxing video on TikTok or YouTube. Please feel free to contact us for further help when you have any problems. Thank you so much. And they got a cool emojis and whatnot on the back. It's so cute. The heart and emoji. And the cool emoji. I love Fadkeys. I don't get my crystals from any other source. That's Fadkeys. I have not that I tried any, but I like Fadkeys. But I'm really so proud of this. Special note from Miami. I really love this. It says thank you for supporting. Oh my God. And it's near the Chinese New Year. To let the most I can't read. Oh, the carving for the year, right? Oh, that's what it says. Okay. If you like to pick my food for you, post I did an unboxing. Abby, I love what you picked out with this piece for me. These are absolutely cute. And I got a kitty around here. I have a real kitty. I have a real kitty. This is just adorable. This is adorable. I've been trying to catch a bear. Hopefully y'all get a bear in here because that's what I want. A bear because you call my mom Sugar Bear and my mom passed. That was my everything. And just recently I just lost my nephew on Sunday. So fly high with the angels, my bunny. Leslie Crowley, I love you. I love you. And I'll see you at the end of my journey in this life. And for now, this is for a video. As you can see, we'll get one last look with the camera at the things that we have here.
The box. Move the box. No, this one. Move the box.
Bag.
And box. Wait. Well, hello.
And if she turned that camera toward her and flip it over, you can see who my camera person is. You can hit that button and let me hit that button and turn it so you can see who my camera person is. I want you guys to see my camera lady. Here you go.
Hey guys, I'm her daughter-in-law.
That's my daughter-in-law, Crystal. As you see, I got a couple of cameras back in my kitchen. I got a couple of cameras back in that kitchen that really be showing. I still got the Christmas tree out. Thank you all. Thanks. Hello. She ain't having it. She's going to sleep now. You can turn it off when you're ready. See you next time.